Hi folks, welcome to this quick demo of TwinSim, and today I'll take you through our platform. Uh, so basically, you create a research stream, you select a market. On the left-hand side, we have various countries covered from APAC, Europe, and the US. You can filter by culture, city, segment, income, rootedness, and so on. So once your filters are selected, you click apply. Now, in this sample research, we are trying to figure out which is the best Australian snack. And you give a product description that we're building a best snack company. We want to know more what about you love as a consumer, which snack do you consume on a daily basis? If there was a best snack that you dream of, what is it like? When do you consume snacks, time, location, and so on. You can run a research on around 1,000 people, but for this demo, we are just doing 20. So the 20 will be randomly selected from the 1,000. So let's run it. What we usually do is not give access to the platform to the end user, but run various research runs, approximately 20 to 25 per hypothesis, where we tweak the question, we tweak the product description a little, and then we analyze the results and give a final report to the customer whether they should, pursue this price, whether they should go in this market or not, and so on and so forth. The final result also considers uh, some kind of validation from real world research which is already done basis the results we get. So if our results are saying that, let's say this section of your customers won't buy at a $500 price, we try to find if there is any study already done for that particular set, or is there any other form of validation we can do, and we give that in the report as well. So once this research is done, you can see the results. We run a 28 module statistical engine on the results and find out a lot of technical stuff. We figure out if there are any variables which are supported, not supported, and so on. Since this run is very less, it is underpowered, as you can see. Uh, After that, an AI report will be generated, which will give stuff like the next hypothesis, what is the positive rate, unique insights, what one should improve, and so on. Uh, these are some very basic statistics, trends, how people replying yes, no, etc. And then you see people's actual replies, right? So look at this. James is like, honestly, mate, I don't really snack much. Too busy at work with the kids. It's just some nuts or maybe a muesli bar I grab, right? The dream snack, something quick, maybe a proper meat pie but healthier. Okay. Uh, Not processed. Great. Right. Uh, Snacks is dangerous for Sarah since becoming pre-diabetic. Oh damn. Okay. Handful of almonds, Greek yogurt, blah blah blah. Dreams something that's healthy. Maybe a dark chocolate covered nut mix that's low in sugar but high in protein. This is the kind of insight that TwinSim actually delivers, right? The consumer company that is actually looking to crack this segment, for them, this is gold. Uh, if for some reason they can actually do that, make this kind of chocolate bar, I think it will work really, really well. So yeah, basically this is how the responses are. Now imagine these are just a few responses. When we generate 1,000, the number of insights and the number of data points we get are like insane. You can download all this as a platform and so on. So yeah, basically, we want to disrupt market research in a good way, make it more accessible to people, and before they actually go out and spend money, try and see if there is some way we can validate their hypothesis for an amount as low as $100. Thank you.